MP3 recorder 0 Stop button. Pause button. Double tap to activate.
Hi, this is Anil Mandal and I am going to represent my district because students we have no any source of our district information in English language. So I thought that this will be very helpful for the students and all people of our district. So please listen and watch my video and subscribe it. So I am going to express about my district. My district is Banka, Banka. Banka is one of the 39 districts of the states of Bihar in India. The district headquarters of Banka is situated in Banka town. The district was established on 21 February 1991. Previously, it was the richest and the largest subdivision of Bhagalpur district. Banka is the homeland of the revolutionaries. Satish Chandra was one of the 7 Marathis which hoisted the flag of India at the Secretariat building near Patna on the 11 August 1942. Jha was born in Kharara near Dhaka Mode. Bhuvneshwar Mishra, a noted regional revolutionaries from village Fag, has contributed a lot in the freedom movement. He was sentenced to life imprisonment for killing many cruel British forces. Madhulimai presented the Banka Lok Sabha constituency twice. George Fernandez and Raj Narayan also contested parliamentary election in this constituency. There were also number veteran leaders of the Indian National Congress, Vidyavasini Devi, MLA, Shakuntala Devi, ex-MP. Banka district occupies an area of 3020 square kilometer, comparatively equivalent to Khandaj Asimisk in Iceland. Chanan is the main river of Banka. Barwa is the second main river near Dubha village in Banka. Banka is gradually becoming a religious tourism hotspot for Hindus and Jainism. Old Mandar Parvat, also known as Mandranchal Parvat in Puran, is home to many religious attractions. A Jain temple at the summit in choose proximity to the Vishnu temple is sign of the religious tolerance. Every year in January, Bausi Mela is organized which depicts the village life of Mandar region. A Rath Yatra procession of the Lord Madhusudana occur every year on the same day as the Rath Yatra procession in Puri. 14th century Vaishnava Sant Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started this Rath Yatra during his visit to Mandar. Baka is largely agrarian economy and is considered the rice bowl of Bihar. The main crops are rice, wheat, corn and lentils. The Amarpur belt produces sugarcane and is home to Gur sugar mills. An issue many smaller village industries in the Bihar is the lack branding for products. High quality local produced goods even in large volumes contributed to lower earning for business owner because of a lack of awareness of more profitable business practices. Baka is strategically located near the source of materials for heavy industry. Its proximity to Jharkhand bordering Devghar, Dumka and Godda and the river channel makes it a very strong contender for coal based power plant. Investment and other heavy industry. There is 4,000 megawatt that thermal power plant is planned in the Kakwara village. Abjit Group has planned to build a 13,000 megawatt thermal power plant at Bausi Erizan Power Limited has planned to set up a 13,020 mega thermal power plant at Prabhavati Nagar. In 2006, the Indian government named Baka is one of the country's 250 most backward districts. Baka district has one government college, PBS college, other colleges and university include DN Singh, Pandit Tarni Jha Women College and Shamacharan Vidyapith. Railway line connecting the existing Bhagalpur Bausi line to Rampur Hat, which is well connected to Havda, is being developed as is a line connected Sultanganj to JCD through Baka. Baka is also connected to Patna. Jagatpur village should be included where railway station Baka is situated. At the time of the 2011 Indian census, 91.53% of population in the district spoken Hindi, 44.20% Santhali and 4.30% Urdu as their first language. Language used in the district include Angika, an Indo-Aryan language written in the Devanagari script and spoken by at least 7,25,000 people in the Angika region. So thank you so much. Please watch this my video and subscribe it.
Stop button. Pause button. Stop.